Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends. This is my living room. As you can see, the floor has been transformed into a brilliant glossy floor. How I transformed the floor from a old faded laminate into a brilliant shiny laminate. For that, you have to watch this video till the end. I have this floor here, living room, where we have laminate. It has been there for about 10 years. It's still not bad shape, but the shine is gone. So we wanted to change the color and also make it new. So we called some flooring guys. One flooring company came and they said, I can put a new laminate, or I can put tiles, or I can put LVP, which is luxury vinyl planks. And the cost came in the range of $1,500 to $4,000. Then I decided to do it myself by using this product called Minwax PolyShades Stain and Poly in one, and a brush, simple brush like this. So all I have to do is shake it well, and then apply this stain with the brush. Just a nice coat. I can put one coat or two coats, but I have to basically apply the stain in the direction of the grain of the wood, in the same direction all the time, not going back and forth. So apply, and then this will require about 2 quarts of this stain. It's about $40. So for $40 and my labor, I can get the job done. So what we did yesterday, we stained the floor with Minwax PolyShades Stain and Poly in one step, and the color is gloss Bombay Mahogany. So he stained this floor, and of course some areas are still remaining. And today we will move the furniture to the stained area, and then we will stain the remaining portion of the floor. So basically, the way it's stained is you just use a brush, good quality brush, the same brush that you use for painting the walls. You just use put a thin coat of stain on the surface, and then let it dry for 6 to 8 hours, and after that you can put a second coat. That's the best. But of course some people, they just put a nice 2 coats just in one step, one step. They put 2 coats, and so in the evening I will show you when we do the staining again. This is the product we are using. This is called Minwax PolyShades Premium Oil, Stain plus Poly in one step, and the color is gloss Bombay Mahogany. This product I chose because in the previous years I had used Minwax Stain and Poly in one step, and they worked well. But this time I found that this product that we bought from Lowe's in Houston, actually it worked very good. It has less smell, and also it dries faster. In the previous years, maybe 5 years ago, when I used the stain and poly in one step, that one took a long time to dry, and also the smell was very bad. But this, they have improved it, so it's much better. You can buy this product in Lowe's or Amazon. I will give the link to this product to buy from Lowe's or Amazon in the description field of this video. Now, this one here, this paint, it dries fast. However, it's very resistant to mopping. Like if you mop the floor occasionally, it's not going to destroy the stain. However, if you move the furniture, heavy furniture, it may scratch the floor a little bit. So what we decided was, in those areas where we might move the furniture, we put some rug on the floor so that when we move it, it will go on the rug. So it will not scratch the floor. However, the scratching happens. Every 6 months, you can just go and touch it up. You just save the old can and just touch it up every 6 months, okay? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, like this video and spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. You can click on the share button below and then share this video with your friends via WhatsApp, via email, via Instagram, via LinkedIn, or by sending email to your friends. Thank you.